Hey everybody, today on Man's Kitchen, I thought I'd do something a little bit differently. I wanted to review these M1 Moto gloves that I got from Bikes and Beards. By the way, also got the shirt there from Father's Day. So, I know a lot of you don't have motorcycles, so I thought, why not highlight the other things you can do in these amazing gloves? They're super comfortable and they're pretty stylish. So, how do you start your day at Man's Kitchen? With a cup of coffee. Honey, I need you to make some coffee. Cutting onions. Honey, I need you to finish cutting the onions. In the shower. Oh, it's so soft on my skin. Don't take your motorcycle gloves into the shower. Take someone else's. Oh, hey bro, how's it going? Good, good. Just a question. Can I borrow your motorcycle gloves tomorrow? Yeah, it's just for a YouTube video. No, don't worry. They'll come back perfectly clean. Relaxing in the backyard, reading a book.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Well, that was strange. Playing video games with the kids. Oh no.
Dad, reload.
I can't reload. My fingers are too thick on here.
You just have to press square.
We're dead. Wrestling with the boys.
Get his wallet!
Destroying dinosaurs. No dinosaurs, children, or chickens were hurt in the making of this video. Where's my wallet?